South Korea begins vaccinating those 75 years and older with Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. It's the first day of inoculations for the general public outside of the priority group. The additional AstraZeneca vaccine will be arriving this weekend. Choi Won-jong has our top story.
Early on Thursday morning, a group of seniors wait in the line for the buzz. They're on their way to get the first doses of Pfizer's vaccine today, as South Korea's health authorities begin vaccination for the general public, starting with those who are 75 or older.
But for some of the elderly people, getting to the vaccination center can be challenging. This is why free shuttle buses have been laid on to help them.
Once they arrive at the vaccination center in Seongdong-gu district, they go through a few simple steps. First, they get their temperature checked, fill out the health questionnaire, then wait out in the lobby until their name is called out. After a quick examination by a doctor, they get their injection from a nurse. Of the 550 vaccine recipients at this center, some are nervous but glad to get their shots.
I don't know how long it has been after getting vaccinated, but I don't feel any side effects.
I'm totally fine. I'm okay. I was worried about having a needle in my arm, but it didn't hurt at all.
A total of 46 local vaccination centers around the country will administer Pfizer's vaccine. But they're only for those who made reservation in advance. Those who didn't make reservation on time can get their shots after applying again. KDCA Commissioner Jung Eun-kyung also got her first COVID-19 vaccine on Thursday, and she also made an announcement on the AstraZeneca vaccine plan for the second quarter. AstraZeneca's additional doses for 1 million people will arrive in May, and the rest of the doses for 2.5 million people will come a month later, with enough batches for 3.5 million total by the second quarter. In the meantime, the health authorities said Thursday that AstraZeneca's additional 432,000 doses will arrive on Saturday, a small amount than initially planned, but earlier than the original arrival time of the third week of April. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.